In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to do a factory reset on an Android TV. A factory reset can help resolve problems with your television. For example, if your television is freezing or not connecting to online services. Please note, a factory reset will clear any data that you have stored on the television, and you will need to reconnect your Wi-Fi network once the reset is complete. From the home screen, scroll right to the Settings icon and press OK on the remote. Next, scroll down to Device Preferences and press OK on the remote. Then, press OK to continue. Scroll down to Factory Reset and press OK on the remote. Next, scroll down and press OK to confirm that you would like to reset the TV. Finally, scroll down and press OK to begin the factory reset. The television will then proceed to reset and take you to the first time installation screen.